How to fix TikTok shop not showing. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete, and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if you're not able to find out TikTok shop feature in your TikTok account. So without any further delay, let's get started. First and foremost, you have to make sure that you are eligible for TikTok shop. Now to check that, first of all, open up your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in. Now the eligibility criteria for TikTok shop is that you must have a certain number of followers, that is at least 5,000 followers to be eligible for TikTok shop, and you must be in the eligible region or a country. If you are in the country where the TikTok shop feature is not available, then you won't have that feature in your TikTok account. If you're eligible and still don't have that feature, then what you have to do is you have to make sure that your TikTok application is updated. Now to check that, open a Play Store in your device. Now navigate to search bar and search for TikTok. If your application needs to be updated, you will have update option where I have opened. Simply tap on update. Once the application is updated, go back and check for the TikTok shop feature. If you still can't find it out, then what you have to do is you have to report a problem to TikTok support center. For that, open up a TikTok in your device. Once on your home page, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once on your profile page, now navigate to top right corner and tap on three line icon. From there, tap on settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, scroll all the way down. There you'll have an option to report a problem. Tap on report a problem. Now once you get to this page, scroll down a bit and they will have an option to chat with TikTok support. Tap on it. And here you can simply send the message saying that you have met all the eligible criteria for the TikTok shop and still can't find out the feature, so you need help with that. After that, TikTok support center will reach you out and will help you with that, and that's how you can solve the problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.